Okay, we're going to illustrate the installation of the bleeder shim into a Cobra Card Junior shock absorber. So first of all, you've got the bleeder shim. It's got the flat on it that goes over the shock shaft. And because the threads are still engaged at this point with the shim stack, we're going to force the shim into the bottom thread and twist it so that it goes tight against the thread. And what that does is it opens up the most amount of bleed area to the bleed hole in the shock absorber. Okay, so there you're set in place. The next step is just to put a dab of Loctite on the nut and on the thread, and then the rest of the shim stack is dropped on.
Index tool.
This other shim is just used as an indexer to make sure that the flat is pushed all the way against the threads. So then the top cone shim is put on, the indexer tool stays in place, the nut is threaded on, and as a final step, so that nothing moves out of place, the piston is held by hand while the nut is being torqued down. And that's it. Then you remove the indexer shim and that's done.